Welcome to this video on the science and practice of transformer oil filtration. Pure oil is essential for transformers. It insulates electrical parts and removes dangerous heat. Contamination can compromise the oil's critical functions. We filter the oil to restore its dielectric strength, which helps it resist electrical sparks. This also extends equipment life and ensures the reliability of the power grid. The enemies of transformer oil include moisture, which lowers insulation strength, and gases, which can become explosive. Sludge and acidity also damage the internal components. Transformer oil is cleaned through a 5-stage filtration process: heating, coarse filtration, vacuum dehydration, fine filtration, and finally, returning the oil to the transformer. Step 1 is heating the oil to between 60 and 65 degrees Celsius. This lowers the oil's viscosity, which allows moisture and gases to be released more easily. Step 2, coarse filtration, involves passing the warm oil through a primary filter. This filter blocks large contaminants like scale, rust, and heavy sludge, protecting the more sensitive machines later in the process. Step 3 is the vacuum chamber. The oil sprays into a deep vacuum, which lowers the boiling point of water. Water turns into vapor and is removed, as are dissolved gases. In Step 4, fine filtration, the dry oil passes through cartridge filters. These filters trap microscopic dirt as small as 1 micron. Some systems also use an ionic chamber to neutralize acid. The final step is returning the pure oil to the transformer. The machine pumps the oil to the bottom of the tank. This cycle repeats 4 to 5 times, ensuring the oil meets strict technical standards. Different filtration systems have different strengths and weaknesses. For example, a vacuum purifier removes gases and moisture well, but struggles with very heavy sludge. Combined systems offer a complete polish, but have a higher machine cost. Filtration offers several benefits, including cost efficiency, as it's cheaper than buying new oil, and sustainability through recycling. It also increases safety by preventing fires and improves transformer performance through better cooling. In summary, transformers rely on pure oil for optimal function. The filtration process, utilizing heat, vacuum, and filters, is crucial for protecting our power infrastructure and keeping the world running.